Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore your photos on Android. So guys, if you want to restore deleted photos from your phone, then this app will be very useful. So let's show you what you need to do. Download this app. So guys, at first go to your Play Store and then search File Recovery. Tap on the first one and install it. So guys, your app has been downloaded. Now go to your app. Tap on Get Start. So guys, if you want to restore your deleted photos, then tap on photo. So guys, as you can see, the scanning numbers are increasing very fastly, and you will see that all your old photos that you deleted are coming back, and that's how you can restore deleted photos from your phone. And now tap on OK, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.